Hi everyone! We start with a white and pink background on the chest, followed by branches and many flowers. First, we use a dark pink, then add light pink to it. That makes it more interesting, as well as some white points in the middle. Before I started with the eye makeup, I sketched where the mask would be in the end. I used highlighter for this. The eye makeup is a light green with just a little bit of black in the inner corner. So we start with light green and continue surrounding these drops with a dark green. In the end we add some yellow to it as a highlight. Now it's time to do the mask. The white side will be our bottom, and the black side the top. Finished? Blending time! Let's start a complicated figure in this look. It seems easier than it is, but you will do a great job, I'm sure. More green slime for the mask! Enough green ugly slime. Let's turn it into pink slime. First darker pink, then lighter pink, and surround everything with white. The opposite of the top basically. Draw an X over the mouth, green on top and pink accents on the bottom. Surround the toxic slime with yellow and that's it. So this time another collaboration Instagram, but not the usual one. It's the pastel brush collaboration, you know. And it's the video.
If you
So all the other artists are linked in the description below, so check them out, they're really great artists. And yes, it was a lot of fun. I wrote something to this look in the description too, so also please check this out. And like always, leave a like, write a comment, share, subscribe. And yes, we will see us next time. Bye.